Hey there, and welcome to day 3. And today we're gonna be doing one LeetCode problem 125 valid palindrome, which is basically you have to convert everything, and see if it's a palindrome or not. So, because we get right into it, I guess the first part of it is convert everything to just a basic string. So first thing we'll do is go str s equals s dot lower dot strip, right? And then I'm just gonna return s just so I can see what I look at afterwards. Has an attribute dot strip. Okay, cool. So dot lower dot strip. Maybe I don't need to do the dot lower brackets, but I think I need to do the dot strip brackets. Yeah. So I get output expected okay, well. I already got one of the cases, right? Nice, cool. It's a palindrome. Oh, this is a palindrome. Okay, cool. And then this one, I put false. Not what I meant to do, but I just wanted to see, what it looked like, but that's fine. Don't need to do that. Okay, so we'll assume that this works. So now we have just a blank strip, and then what we'll do, I'll say, mid equals s, equals len s divided by 2. If it's 9, it's gonna be 4. Right, so we'll remember that if it's 9, it's 4. So I'll say okay, and I'll do while. We need 2 variables, so we'll just do I and j equals 0. So while I is less than mid, I think we only need 1. We don't even need j. While I is less than mid, right? If trigger equals 0, right? So we assume it's true. So if si is not equal to s negative I, trigger equals 1. And so this is like 4 and negative 4 should be fine, or minus 1, and then over here if trigger equals 1, return false, and then return true. Okay, let's see how this works first, and then when this doesn't work, so if invalid syntax, cool, forgot a whole equal sign. I mean, I got past this, that means that something worked, but now it's time to see if the code works. I don't think the code's working. Chat. Oh, so we actually forgot to go I plus equals 1. Cool. This is like the checker. Okay, so these two were right, but this one was not right, which means that like and dot so yeah, okay, so these two were, but this one wasn't. So let's look at what dot strip is. Dot strip Python strip. So if I do text dot strip, X my favorite, removes any leading trailing white spaces. Okay, this removes Here, well, actually, we'll use this, and we'll put here, and then we'll just do text dot strip. And what does this give us? So if I do dot strip on boom boom, what does that give us? Same thing. So if we do that, so this is gonna remove the white spaces, but if I do dot split on boom dot split on boom on boom and dot split on boom. Does this give us just a regular thing? Split is not defined. Oh. Cool. Just remove all special characters from a string in Python. So Stack Overflow. I don't want to import nothing. Text goes boom, join letter for letter in string if letter is isalnum. Ah. Okay. And then this should work no matter what. So then by doing this, I go here, and then I'm gonna go, so instead of this thing, I'm gonna go s equals boom dot join for letter for letter in s string if letter dot is on them. Would this even, ooh, hold up, would this even work? Well, this one we got this editor for it for a reason. And if this does work, string is not defined for letter in s. S not defined, cool. It does work. So with this, all we have to do is then go s equals s dot lower, and the code should work because we lower it, and then, you know, it's the same thing. So module is not iterable. Cool. Nah, because it was going to work too if I do s dot lower. I would have had the perfect string. I forgot s equals. I would have had the perfect string. And then all I had to do was hit my palindrome checker, which would have worked. But now it's telling me, oh, it's not iterable. This is really dumb. Okay, let's try it somewhere else. We'll go new, and we'll go new for letter in s if s is on them. Oh, hold up. I shouldn't change it to s. All I have to do is crop out this. So now what we're doing is we have the string perfected, but what's happening is where our palindrome checker is a little off the charts here. Okay. Alright, if I put this in, just making sure that we know print s, and then go in here and we're gonna take they should give us this good string. Okay, yeah. Perfect. And so then, okay, now we have to work on the actual palindrome checker. So mid-lang s is s. This one worked. Race a car is false. And this one became true, but this one also became false for no reason. So I lowered it, and I say, okay, if this one is this one, okay, cool. So this is pretty weird. As long as, while I is less than mid minus 1, trig equals 1, if trig equals 1. If that's not equal to it, no, I'll just return false off the rip, and then return true if it's not. Negative I, so s at 0 and s at negative, oh no, s at, I'm seeing the problem here. I'm not accurately comparing them. I'm comparing s at 0 with s at negative 0, but it has to be negative at negative 1. So I do negative I plus 1. No, negative I minus 1. And this would be s at negative 1. Ah, so this one worked this time. This one didn't work this time. This one always works. So now we're looking at this one. Looking at this one. So boom, 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 and then boom and boom. Race a car is not a palindrome because the A is there. But how are we getting this output's true? So if I'm looking at, well, I is less than or equal to mid, so mid of this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, so we're going from I 1 to 3, so we're looking at 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, less, oh shit, it's less than or equals, so it's just less than this. There you go. It should work. Here you go. And we actually did complete the solution. So this is a solution to what's this one called? LeetCode problem 125, valid palindrome.